Welcome to Block 7. Today, we're taking you on a tour of Killora Bay House, a seasonal holiday retreat designed for a young family and their friends. Located in Australia, facing the serene D'Entrecasteaux Channel, this home is a collaboration between architect Lara Maeseele and Tanner Architects. With a compact footprint of just 131 square meters, this house delivers a deeply immersive living experience that harmonizes beautifully with nature. Killora Bay House sits on an ecologically sensitive site. The area is rich with native Tasmanian white gum trees and grass trees, and it serves as a habitat for the endangered Forty Spotted Pardalote bird. Because of this, the building process was tightly regulated, including a strict building envelope confined to an 18-meter radius on the southern corner of the lot. These constraints became a driving force behind the architectural approach, resulting in an inward-focused, centralized form that integrates seamlessly with the surrounding landscape. As you walk down the narrow path through dense forest, the house gradually reveals itself between the trees, creating a dramatic and mysterious first impression. The structure appears monolithic, blending into its natural surroundings. The entire exterior is clad in locally sourced, fire-resistant silvertop ash wood, stained dark to both merge with the landscape and create a subtle silhouette against the forest backdrop. The flush glazing reflects the surrounding trees, enhancing the illusion that the house is part of the forest itself. The interior is designed with flexibility and functionality in mind. The house is split into two main pavilions, with a central foyer serving as the main entry point. This space is generous and multi-purpose, perfect for storing outdoor gear like surfboards and shoes, and also doubles as a sheltered play area for kids. The primary living area is located on the northern side and follows the contours of the land. This is where most of the activity happens, cooking, relaxing, or simply taking in the forest views down to Kilora Bay. Both the indoor and outdoor kitchens are oriented toward the northwest to capture views and sunlight. Joinery elements wrap around the fireplace, window seats, and reading nooks, creating cozy room-within-a-room moments that encourage quiet, intimate living. Bedrooms are located on the east and west sides of the house, providing privacy and encouraging natural cross-ventilation. The bathrooms are especially striking, with skylights framing the canopy of white gum trees, creating a unique ceiling-to-nature effect. In the bedrooms, skylights above the beds allow occupants to wake with the morning light or fall asleep beneath a star-filled sky, forging a deep emotional connection with the natural world, even from inside the home. Killora Bay House is more than just a holiday home. It's a thoughtful architectural response to a fragile ecological context, delivering a spatial experience rich in mood and nature connection. Its design proves that site limitations can be a catalyst for meaningful, creative solutions. If you're seeking inspiration for a compact, nature-centered, and contextually aware home, Killora Bay House offers a compelling reference. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Block 7. We hope Killora Bay House sparks new ideas for designing a home that's not only beautiful but also in harmony with its surroundings. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on more inspiring home design stories. See you in the next video.